In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export all contacts from Freshsales. We're going to keep this simple and clear so you can quickly get a complete list of your contacts out of Freshsales. By the end, you'll know exactly where the export tool lives, how to target contacts specifically, and how to set the right date range so your file includes everything up to today. Start on the Activities dashboard in your Freshsales suite. If you're already logged in, this is typically the first screen you see. If you aren't on the dashboard, use the main navigation to return there, so we're all starting from the same place. Next, open Settings. Look for the gear icon, usually in the top or side navigation, and click it. This is where Freshsales keeps organization-level controls, including data export. If you don't see settings, you may need the proper permissions, so check with your admin before proceeding. Inside Settings, go into Account Settings, and depending on your layout, this may appear as a card or a section in the left panel. Select Account Settings to access workspace-level tools that affect your whole account, rather than just your personal preferences. From Account Settings, choose Export Data. This is the dedicated area for pulling structured records out of Freshsales. It's built to handle large sets cleanly and consistently, which is why it's the right place to export contacts. On the Export Data screen, select Contacts. This tells Freshsales exactly which type of record you want to export. You'll also see filters to narrow what gets included. To capture everything, set the date range so it runs through today. If there's a From field, choose the earliest date you want to include. If you're compiling a complete archive, pick the earliest possible option. Then make sure the To date is set to today, ensuring the export includes the most up-to-date records. Once Contacts is selected and the date range is set through today, the export process will begin from this screen. Large databases can take a moment to prepare, so give it time. Keep the tab open and avoid navigating away until you see confirmation that the export has been initiated. Freshsales will package your data into a file format that plays nicely with spreadsheets and other tools. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Confirm you're exporting only what you're authorized to handle, especially if your contacts include sensitive fields. If your team uses custom fields, they'll come through in the export, so review the columns before sharing the file. And that's it. You started from the Activities dashboard, opened Settings, went into Account Settings, chose Export Data, selected Contacts, and set the date range through today to get a complete export.